everyone, welcome to SferaAI tutorial. In this video, we're going to talk about why a Google Business Profile is important and how to set it up in simple steps. Let's get started. So, a Google Business Profile has three big benefits for your business. First, it provides essential business information. When people search for your business on Google, they can see your address, phone number, hours of operation, and more. This makes it easy for customers to find and contact you. Second, it boosts your visibility in Google Search and Maps. This means your business will show up more often when people search for related services or products in your area. More visibility means more potential customers. Third, it allows customers to leave reviews. Good reviews can attract more customers and improve your local SEO, helping you rank higher in search results. That's why having a Google Business Profile can really help your business. Now, let's find out how to set it up for your business. First, open your web browser and go to Google My Business and click on the Manage Now or Get on Google button. Sign in with your Google account, and if you don't have one, you need to create a Google account first. Next, enter your business name. Make sure it matches the name that you use in real life and click Next when you're done. You will now need to choose the type of your business. Choose the option that best fits your business model and click Next. Select the category that best fits for your business. This helps people find you when they search for services like yours, and click Next to continue. If your business had a physical location that customers can visit, enter your detailed address here. Enter your phone number and website URL if you have one. This helps customers contact you and learn more about your business, and click Next when you're ready. Click the checkbox if you want your business to appear on Google Maps. This helps customers find your physical location easily. To make sure your business information is accurate, Google will ask you to verify your business. Choose the verification option that works best for you and follow the instruction. Once your business is verified, you can add more details to your profile. Update your business hours, write a short description of what you offer, and upload photos of your business. The more information you provide, the better. As a new Google Business user, you may be eligible to claim credit for advertising on Google Ads. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Google Business page. Now, customers can find your business on Google Search and Maps.